this is what I could use a little bit of help with.
Looks just like the pictures.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, okay.
I sent you pictures of it so you have an idea.
Yeah. The biggest mistake I feel that people make with small space storage is really not thinking out of the box. For instance, like a hallway closet, you're like, okay, I'll put in a rod, but what else could we do? What else could that closet hold? I love the fact that you and Crystal have like his and hers closet.
So do we.
I'm sure.
It's such a luxury,
Sure, it
truly.
creates a peaceful environment.
Absolutely.
But I do see that this closet is underutilized because you have your clothes here, you have stuff below here, but I'm seeing all this space that could be utilized, right? So I have this concept that I have that I love. It's called a power closet.
Okay,
And basically
I like it.
what that is just taking a closet and maximizing its potential. We're thinking vertically. We're using the walls, the backside of walls, the doors to just be able to store multiple things in an efficient manner. There are many off-the-shelf closet systems that we could utilize without going like full on custom closet because as you and I know, that could be very costly, right?
Exactly.
And so that's not the point of the power closet. The point of the power closet is for you, a DIY or a homeowner, to be able to implement that system to suit your needs and without breaking the bank.
Exactly. I love
So I picked up a system that I think will work great for here. It provides you multiple streams of storage or opportunities for storage. You could get a little bit more organized, take your brushes off of your nightstand,
Yeah, I got you.
keep everything together so you're not having to look in different places, and bring a little bit more uniformity within this space.
Okay.
You ready to get started?
That sounds awesome.
Okay. You ready to get started?
That sounds awesome.
Okay, great.
So my closet, it has mostly my clothes and my shoes, but it also has my art supplies and a lot of miscellaneous things that I keep. I have to figure out a way to make it all work in there because that's my only storage space. That's for me personally in the apartment.
Needs will change, right? So when I create my power closet or different storage solutions, I try not to make it so rigid where it's like specific for one thing. You want to do it yourself? Here, hold it. We gotta drill it. All right. All right, Jorge, you went to work. So you removed the shelf that was here, the rod, and holding up the shelf was a plate around the wall. So with there being holes left, we just went ahead and patched the holes. It's quick drying compound. So in a couple minutes, we're good to go. It just needs a little bit of sanding. You could go back after the fact and paint it. So this is the bottom. There are two that makes the full vertical system. And what's great about this is that they have adjustable legs on there. So that way we could get a nice level of this system. We're out of level.
Yeah.
So it looks like we need to go up on the left. All right. So now that we have the left to right, we're gonna do the front to back.
Okay.
So this is only about 14 inches deep, as you could see.
too big,
This
yeah.
is a little overkill for what we need.
Yeah.
So we'll break out
Oh.
our torpedo level, okay? So next thing is that we're gonna mark the holes to fasten this to the wall before we attach the top unit. So what we wanna go ahead and do now is check for the studs. And this is where our marking is. It's picking up nothing. This is our other marking. And nothing over here. So we're gonna go ahead and put those anchors in, the heavy duty ones. Oh, there you go. Okay. It's feeling good right now, right?
I'm excited about having like one of those cool closets that I've never had that has like, you know, 2 levels and you could put your pants on one level and your shirts on another and just different storage options.
There it is. bins and baskets, I absolutely think that they're essential because they keep your items together. They corral it. They give them their own home.
I'm looking forward to hanging my ties.
I am looking forward to seeing it hung as well. We could go ahead and get the doors
I've never had
on.
anywhere to hang my ties.
Okay, well, job well done.
Thank you so
Great
much,
job.
Captain.
You're welcome.